शायद अभी तक आप गौतम अदानी जी के ऊपर बहुत सारे वीडियोस देख चुके होंगे और देखना भी चाहिए। अगर आप उनको फॉलो नहीं कर रहे थे और अब करते हैं तो करना भी चाहिए। आई एम अ प्राउड इंडियन एंड आई ऑलवेज बीन, बट व्हेन आई सी स्टोरीज लाइक गौतम अदानी आई फील इवन मोर प्राउड। द फर्स्ट जनरेशन एंटरप्रेन्योर हु मेड इट to the list of world's richest and Asia's richest man is a big deal. He's the 6th in the list and he could be 16th or 60th or 1st, doesn't matter. What I want you to look at is what to learn from this story. What is it that can help you to become a better leader? Anytime and every time you follow a success story, guys, please remember that we should not get carried away with the wealth somebody has gathered. We need to take away what is the wisdom behind creating that wealth? What are the qualities that are working for people and making them successful? Because these qualities are common. And if you work on them, it will get you to your next level as well. So when I did my research and studied his entire history, there are 3 qualities in him which came glaring towards me. और मुझे लगता है कि ये तीनों qualities हम सब में होनी चाहिए as a leader. The first is the visionary that he is. Be a visionary. Have the vision to see what your industry will look like 1 year from now, 3 years from now, 5, 10 years from now. And a lot of people laugh at it. उनको लगता है कि यार जिंदगी का कुछ भरोसा नहीं है, कल होगा कि नहीं होगा पता नहीं, तो 3 साल का कैसे प्लान करें, 10 साल का कैसे प्लान करें. बट अगर हमारे विजन ही नहीं है तो हम वहां तक पहुंच ही नहीं सकते. And the vision is not restricted to just one industry, as you can see in Gautam Adani's case. He's gone into multiple sectors and he has dominated every single sector, leaving behind very big corporate houses. And that's because he saw opportunities. His vision included the country. It included millions of other people around and not just his household. When you create a bigger vision, you create a bigger picture for yourself. You learn how to think big. And that's what he did when he started looking out of his business into port business. And he saw what the future would look like tomorrow. And today you know that he rules that space as well. The second quality that I need you to look at very carefully in him is persuasion. How do you show people what you are able to see? How do you convince people to come along with you? How do you include people to follow and make your exclusive plans come true? You can see how he merged with government and got their collaboration in for the port rail policy that he's been able to roll out, which of course after being floated is going to help many other companies. But the reason why he could make that happen is because he has the ability to persuade. He has the ability to articulate his vision and show to people what he can see. We need to practice and learn these skills. The third one is his commitment to grow. His commitment towards growth is a function of 2 things. Number 1, commitment to yourself, which we very easily ignore because कोई देख नहीं रहा है, किसी को नहीं पता है मैंने खुद के साथ क्या commitment किया है, I can cheat. And that's where self-discipline comes in. When you stick to your commitment that you make to your own self, you need to do that with bringing in self-discipline. Without discipline, it's not possible for you to adhere to the commitments, to make those commitments come true that you make to yourself specially. The second part of it is the commitment that you make to others. Because when you do what you say, you come across as a character, as a strong character that can be trusted. If you are someone who can be trusted, then you know that people will also follow you. And when people follow you, you can create any amount of wealth and make as big an enterprise as you want to make or dream of or have a vision for. It takes a team, it takes people and their trust in you to make this happen. Each one of these skills can be learned, can be mastered. What you have to do is invest time in understanding to what extent do you need to go deeper into these skills and what will be your plan to master them. Let's look at every success story with the hunger to learn, the hunger to grow, and the hunger to contribute and add value to people's life, because that's what a true leader is all about.